Hello friends, this is a demonstration video for level control trainer. What you are looking at here is the controller, and there are some sensors connected to this, and those sensors I will be showing you. The first thing in level control is the tank whose level is to be controlled. We are measuring this tank. Right now you can see the level is here with the help of this sensor. This sensor is dipping in and it's measuring the level. As you can see over here, we have the upper one 3.5, that is the measured level, and the lower one 3.5, which you can see in green, is the set point. So right now it is controlling the level by measuring the level over here, and if at all there is any change in the level, this is called sump tank where the whole level material which we are filling the tank is controlled, and this is going to the pneumatic valve. So if the level goes down, this pneumatic valve opens, and that increases the flow rate, and in case level goes up, it closes, and the flow rate here will go down, and therefore the level will also go down, because you see this level is continuously getting drained to the sump tank at some rate. So this is the pneumatic valve. This pneumatic valve is getting 3 to 15 psi, and this is I to P converter, which is converting 4 to 20 milliampere into 3 to 15 psi, and this 4 to 20 milliampere again is coming from this controller. So the controller is giving current to this I to P converter, this is giving pressure to this valve, and as you can see, the valve will open up or down. This is a bypass valve in case something happens to the valve, so you want to bypass it, you close this and you open it and you manually control the valve. So this is emergency kind of thing which we go in for in case the automatic control fails. So these are the basic components. I repeat, this one is the total controller, this one is the rotameter, we call it rotameter flow meter just to visually see the flow, and we have only one sensor over here, and that is the level sensor, and this is the process. Basically this entire tank is the process, and right now this tank is in very stable condition, in the sense that we want 3.5 level units, and the set point is 3.5, and the measurement is also 3.5. Now what we will be doing, I will ask Purushottam sir to increase the set point to 4. So Purushottam sir is now increasing the set point from 3.5 to 4, and so as you see it, the controller now is going to give more current, which is going to give more pressure, which is going to open the valve, which is going to increase the flow rate, and the level, as you can see, it tries to reach 4. Earlier, if you remember, it was 3.5. From 3.5 it became 3.6, 3.7, already it is 3.8, 3.9. It is reaching 4. It may slightly overshoot 4 also because of the process inertia and stuff like that, but then it will come back. I'm quite sure you will see, if at all it moves from 4.0 to 4.1 and even 4.2, after some time it will come back to 4.1 or 4.0 after some time, and the thing will be stabilized. So this, as you can see, I once repeat, while it's going to come back to 4.0, this is flow meter, and this is one I will show you in closer vision, that you have a level sensor, you have a level in the tank, and then through the sump tank it is going, this is the pump which is pumping the fluid, in this case simple water, is going from here. So this, my dear friend, is actually what happens in the industry. You actually use these valves. I have been working with in the industry. You actually make use of these kind of pumps and these kind of sensors, and we come back. In the meantime, you see to the level controller, it has come back from 4.2 to 4.1, and if I am able to hold my hand steady for some time, it will of course come back to 4.0 also. So we have switches for turning on the pump, the main switch. In case the level goes beyond a certain point, we have set points over here, or goes below, the alarm will also trigger. So this is a demonstration on level control trainer, and we have seen each and every component. So all you have to do is, see, it has come back to 4.0. So with respect to time, let us say after every 15 seconds, you keep on plotting what is the level. You see the level which was at 3.5, the moment we made it 4, the level also went up. It went slightly above, and it has again come back to 4.0 with a little bit of overshoot. It's a very well tuned controller, as you can see. So this is all for the demonstration of this level control trainer for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. See you soon in person. Bye bye.